Jokes. A universal source of laughter. Jokes have been an important part of human culture for thousands of years. From ancient times to the present day, they've made people smile, laugh, and feel closer to one another. But what is a joke, and why do people find them so funny? In this video, we'll explore the world of jokes and understand their role in society. What is a joke? A joke is a short story or phrase that has a funny punchline. The purpose of a joke is to entertain and make people laugh. Jokes often play with words, present unexpected situations, or highlight the funny side of everyday life. For example, have you heard the joke about why the chicken crossed the road? The punchline is, to get to the other side. It's a simple joke, but it plays with our expectations. Different types of jokes. One-liners. These are short, single-sentence jokes. For instance, I told my wife she was drawing her eyebrows too high. She looked surprised. Knock-knock jokes. These are conversational jokes, where one person knocks on a door and a funny exchange happens. Example, knock, knock. Who's there? Lettuce. Lettuce who? Lettuce in, it's cold out here. Puns. These jokes play with the sound or meaning of words. For example, I used to be a baker because I needed dough. Story jokes. These are longer and usually tell a funny tale. They often end with a surprising or humorous twist. Why do we love jokes? There are many reasons why jokes are loved by people all over the world. Connection. Sharing a joke helps people bond. When you laugh with someone, it creates a sense of unity and understanding. Relief. Laughter can provide relief from stress and sadness. A good joke can brighten up a bad day. Intelligence. Understanding a joke often requires thinking in a clever or different way. It feels good when we get a joke, as it shows we've made a smart connection. Cultural exchange. Jokes can also teach us about different cultures. Every culture has its own style of humor, and through jokes, we can learn about their values, beliefs, and way of life. Jokes across cultures. While the love for laughter is universal, what people find funny can differ from one culture to another. A joke that's funny in one country might not make sense in another. This is because humor often depends on shared knowledge or cultural references. For example, the chicken joke mentioned earlier might not be funny in a culture where chickens aren't commonly known. Similarly, jokes about snow might not be understood in places where it never snows. However, the beauty of jokes is that they can also bring cultures together. Many jokes are universal and can be enjoyed by people from different backgrounds. This shows that laughter truly is a universal language. The power of laughter. Laughter has many benefits. It can improve our mood, reduce stress, and even boost our immune system. Scientists have found that laughing releases endorphins, which are chemicals in our brain that make us feel good. This might explain why we love jokes so much. Moreover, joking and laughing with others can improve our social relationships. It helps to break the ice in unfamiliar situations and make new friends. Who doesn't enjoy the company of someone with a good sense of humor? Conclusion. Jokes have been a cherished part of human culture for a long time. They bring joy, laughter, and a sense of connection to our lives. While the type of jokes we enjoy might differ based on our culture and personal tastes, the love for a good laugh is universal. So next time you hear a joke, even if it's a silly one, take a moment to appreciate the humor and the joy it brings. After all, life is better when we're laughing. Remember, a joke is like a gift. It's better when shared. So go on, share a joke today, and spread some happiness.